Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there was a beautiful forest filled with magical creatures and twinkling lights. This was the Enchanted Forest of Whispers, home to the friendliest and kindest creatures one could ever imagine. In the heart of the forest lived a little girl named Lily. She had long, golden hair and sparkling blue eyes, and she was known throughout the forest for her cheerful smile and kind heart. One day, Lily heard a rumor about a dark and scary creature called a Death Eater that was lurking in the forest. The Death Eater was said to steal the laughter and joy from anyone it encountered. Lily was determined to protect her friends in the forest, and so she set off on a brave adventure to find the Death Eater and put an end to its wicked ways. As she ventured deeper into the forest, Lily came across various challenges that tested her courage and determination. She encountered talking trees, helpful fairies, and even a mischievous goblin or two. But Lily never lost her spirit, and she continued on her quest to rid the forest of the Death Eater. Finally, after days of searching, Lily found the Death Eater hiding in a dark and gloomy cave. The creature was uglier than any creature Lily had ever seen, and it snarled and hissed as she approached. But Lily didn't let its scary appearance scare her. She stood tall and brave, and she declared, "I have come to put an end to your wicked ways, Death Eater." The Death Eater sneered at Lily, but she didn't back down. She used her kind heart and her quick wit to outsmart the Death Eater and defeat it, freeing the Enchanted Forest of Whispers from its wicked grip. From that day on, the forest was once again filled with laughter and joy. The creatures celebrated Lily's bravery, and they thanked her for her kindness and her courage. Lily returned home, her heart full of pride and her spirit even stronger than before. And from that day on, whenever anyone in the Enchanted Forest of Whispers needed help, they knew they could always count on Lily to come to their aid. For she was not just a little girl, but a hero, and her kindness and bravery would always be remembered. The end.